Oh, I'm recording. Okay, I guess this is a taste test. Okay, you want to taste it? What do you think?
Yummy.
What'd you make?
I made a cookie in my Easy Bake Oven. Random.
What kind?
Chocolate chips.
Ooh.
Because we used Mommy's batter.
Okay.
Instead of the Easy Bake batter.
Oh.
And then
We tried an experiment?
Yep. And then when we made a really tiny one, we were making another one because it was really tiny. And it's a big one. It's
Oh.
tiny, thick.
Okay. Does the tiny one still taste good? Did Daddy try it?
Yep.
Ooh. Hold on. Oh, yum! Delish. Oh, I wish everybody was here to try it. Oh. Oh, I love that toasty edge. The assistant chefs are wearing the Easy Bake aprons.
That's really good, Chloe.
Okay, now let's see what Sophie thinks. Taste test. Do we have any left for Kyle?
No. You can try the next cookie.
Chef assistant number 2.
You can have really good, Chloe.
What do you
Tastes
think?
like Mom's.
Okay. Oh wow, your project's looking good. Can't wait. It smells in here though from that river stuff. Ooh.
Kyle thinks it smells good.
Oh, I know. Ick. Okay, Kyle, taste test.
I made it in my Easy Bake Oven.
That's cool. It's good. It tastes like Mom's.
That's what everybody's saying.
Oh, is that your buzzer going off?
Oh no. Oh, that's Gigi. I think that's Mommy's cookies. Yikes. Okay. Oh, better get my pot holder.
I think mine's ready also.
Got a lot of cookies going
I
here.
think mine is ready.
We ran out over spring break. I took them all to the, let's see,
I need to check with mine.
to the beach. Oh, here they are. Yummy, perfect. Can you close the oven? Thank you. Okay. Chloe, what's this called?
What's that called? Well, later I say it's a KitchenAid Professional 600 Blinky. I think my cookie's ready, Mommy.
Oh, we could check it.
I did.
Oh, did you push it out?
Not all the way.
Okay, push it out and let's get a look at it. Oh, not quite. I'm going to push it back in. It's a little raw.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to sign off. This is a little long. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Chef Chloe, Baker Chloe,
This is Baker Chloe.
and
Signing off.
assistant number 3, Gigi.
Mommy, look.
Bye.
Mommy, wait.
Oh, what?
This is Assistant Chloe signing off.
Okay. No, you're the main chef,
Yes.
Chloe.
Yes, chef.
Okay,
But
say it
it's
again.
assistant. Yes, no, it's
What?
assistant, actually.
Oh, you're assistant?
Yeah,
You're the
assistant
main
of you.
Oh.
So I cut you there.
Oh, you got me there. Okay, love ya.